today for our third lesson, I will be telling you some tips on how to disinfect when you reach your home, of course. While we are walking on our way home, let's prepare our alcohol. Yeah. Since there's scarcity of alcohol now, so I changed my mind. I won't use alcohol. Instead, I'll go teleport to the nearest faucet to wash my hands. Let's go! Oh, there we go. So now, let's wash our hands. Wait lang! Using tabo. And we don't have soap in here. You got lots of pet. It's war. And for my tip number 2, some other houses could make some foot bath, but since I am allergic with some disinfectant, so we can't have a foot bath in here. So what is foot bath? Foot bath is when you take a bath for your food. Come on, guys. So if you don't have a foot bath, make sure to have a foot rack. There you go. So you have a different footwear outside your home and a different footwear when you reach home. So I got my indoor slippers and my outdoor shoes. So that's tip number 2. And of course, since we did not have any soap outside, so by tip number 3, move again and teleport to your CR. Anong nangyari? So make sure to wash your hand for 20 seconds. You could sing if you want to. You want me to sing? What song do you want me to sing to you? Oh, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Minsan na ako kumanta, ayaw mo pa, PANIWANG. Happy birthday to you. And by the way, it's the birthday of my uncle. So after we wash our hands, we've got to go out to buy some gift for him. There you go. Yay! 15 minutes before the closure of Robinson's, and I bought half ng Brazos de Mercedes for Uncle's birthday. Yay! Thank you, Manang! Kita mo doy, Manang, naka-PPE man to protect themselves. Yay! Happy birthday, Uncle! Thank you much, Manong! Nakahabol ang aking gift! Yay! Of course, once you reach home, once again, remember our first tip? Ano nga? Yes, wash your hands sa pinakalapit na, yes, very good, na faucet. Then, tip number 2, make sure na meron tayong different na indoor shoe and outdoor shoe. Yes, hinahanap ko yung Kiko. And tip number 3, go wash your hand. Again, patay kang bata ka. Bakit ayaw mag-open? Oh my gosh, that's the car. I'm really sorry. to you. Ano nga akala nyo? Hindi ako kumakanta. Of course, I do sing. And if you're asking me why I was not wearing my ninja, you know, aminin natin, matagal na ako makakalimutin. Okay. Okay, guys. I dropped my phone. I went inside. No, not yet inside. I opened a different car. And now I was preparing the cake. Alright. So, once again, here comes the birthday boy. Let's sing. Everybody sing. Go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay, Uncle! Happy birthday! Yay!
Ano ba?
Yeah, favorite ni Uncle! And this one. O, diba? Healthy living tayo! Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
And let's welcome the one and only Lovey Doves. What can you say? What?
Happy birthday.
Yay! So for our tip number 4, before we eat our handa this birthday, let's take a bath. Of course, I won't bring you inside the bathroom. No, see you later.
Kanta ka muna, happy birthday.
Kanta na kami.
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Rubeinspired!